Bathurst Spring Spectacular Garden Show. Okay, we're out here at the Garden Spectacular Bathurst, and there is gardens, and there's gardens, and there's gardens. Here we have, what do we think of this one, Mother? Hey, what do we think of this garden?
Yeah, it's got a lot of rooms and going on. It's a lot opener, we like that. The sculptures are more...
Sculptures are interesting. It's
Yeah.
nice they've got a bit of space. I like this walkway through thing. Always love a walkway through.
Yeah, how about the age of that mystery? It's like
Yes.
gold. Yep.
She's talking about this age down here. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Kale, is it?
No, that's a poppy.
Oh, right.
That is an opium poppy, or otherwise it's called, yes, that's what they are. All coloured. We've got, that was the pink one, we've got red ones and white ones in there.
Show me their chips.
Follow me, up here. Up to here.
Oh, there's a big bell here. Look at this. Big bell. The Japanese sort of influence down here. We've got a big.
That's the Japanese thing. There you go, we're trying it. Japanese, the red and black. Japanese little place you go and have tea. The tea there.
Or meditate.
Meditate.
Come out here and meditate. Yeah. Oh, there's the donga. We've got sort of a screen here with some birds on it. Water fountain. Bit of a Japanese style. We've got, yeah. You wonder how often when this different? Hey, check that out. That's a bit different, isn't it? This is very Japanesey. We've got pendants.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder they're all out looking at this one, because it's lovely.
Yeah, someone's actually
This is a garden.
like a bit of an adventure, this
Yeah,
one.
that-
There's paths and
There's a dove house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe the possum lives there, I don't know.
possums have a tendency to move in. Says with one person got one living in her chimney.
Yeah.
Possums living, didn't have a fire all 2024 because the possum was living in there. Yeah. True story, peeps. Which way we go now? There's a great birdhouse here. I'll show you in the background. Where is it? There it is. The cute birdhouse.
Yeah, and another one.
Huh. It's a garden bed made out of a tractor part. Here you go. Pretty cool.